Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Port Financial. Just an update here on Tilray. As you can see, they had a great day today. A lot of MJ stocks had a great day today. So just did a video on Sundial, one on Canopy Growth, Kronos, and some other CGC, and here's one on Tilray. So as you can see, they're down over about 65% over the last year. In the last 3 months, they're actually in the green, 4.77, probably from this here today. In the last month, they're up over 37%, so you can see they were down, excluding today, up over 53% in the last month. And here's a look at today. So just crazy action here. They took off right about at the 1:52 p.m. mark. So went from 591 on up to 822. So I have 16 shares here at a zero cost basis. The reason that is these used to be a free up. Now they're Tilray, so they merged a while back. If you don't know much about Tilray, it's an MJ stock. MJ company, feel free to pause and go over that. Founded in 2018, 112.67 million. Today, average is 18.80, so huge trading days. So, market cap of 3.35 billion, 52-week low of 478, and 52-week high of 2448. 67% on a hold on this one, so not the greatest ratings, pretty much average on the ratings. And next is earnings expected on April 11th. So I haven't bought any more of this one here in this account. I have some in a retirement account. Now I wish I would have bought some more, so now I wish I would have bought a bunch more on a bunch of MJ stocks, but I've been buying as much as I can. So over here on Bing, currently showing it as a hold. So Tilray brands, how investors can get the most out of their investments. This is a couple days old. So since the price is up, we're just going to kind of skim through this one. But for readers interested in the stock health of Tilray, it is currently valued at $5.36. When the transactions were called off in the previous session, stock hit highs of $5.60 after selling off price of $5.38. Company stock value dipped to $5.30. So like I said, I'm just going to skim through this since it's a couple days old, and since we're already past it, the full year performance was down 78.26%. So not too great, but maybe they're going to all have a turnaround now, so we'll all be in the green on MJ again. Tilray brands moved down 3.45%. Why it's important. So again, since we're up past that, I'm just going to kind of skim through this. But it is still relevant to the stock price, because it could go down on Monday if things don't go the way it's planned. So we'll go over more of that information here in a moment. So Tilray is a leading global MJ lifestyle and consumer packaged goods company, inspiring and empowering the worldwide community to live their best life. Today announced that its medical MJ division, Tilray Medical, has expanded its medical MJ offering and launched the first EU GMP medical MJ oil products in Malta. So again, like I said, I'm just going to skim through this. You can find all of this right on DBT News. So this is an article that I saw earlier today, and then I noticed a lot of MJ stocks were going up, so I thought I'd throw this one in, but this is the one that I was going to do in regards to Tilray. So can't sleep like a lot of other people out there. I don't have any problem sleeping or falling to sleep, but a lot of people do. Tilray's Solei brand launches renewed Moonlight THC and CBN vape pen, and this just came out 11 hours ago. So they launched their Renew Moonlight, a new CBN vape pen designed for nighttime use by wellness brand Solei, or maybe it's Solei. Joining Solei's portfolio of wellness products, this high CBN vape pen has a potency of 4:1 THC, and CBN is blended with citrus and herbal aromas. Solei products are designed to support a daily wellness routine from day to night, stated Danielle Menard, Solei brand manager. Renew Moonlight is the perfect CBN product for consumers looking to ease into the night after a long day. So anything to raise the stock price, get sales going, is okay by me. So again, I don't need to take anything to sleep, but a lot of people do. But if you can't sleep, maybe you should take a look at this and see what it would do for you. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, or promote the use of any products here. So just bring the stocks and articles to your attention. So Erwin Simon, Chairman and CEO of Tilray, will be a keynote speaker at the Benzinga MJ Capital Conference in Miami, April 20 through the 21st. There is still time to sign up for an event that will host many top names in the MJ industry. And moving on, Tilray brands on the right track to a higher share price. This is dated here today. Tilray brands priced on Wednesday, March 23rd, rose 0.70 above the previous day close, with an upside momentum for buyers pushed the stock's value to $5.72. A look at the stock's price performance. Close in the last trading session was $5.68, and already went over a lot of these stats, the 52-week low and high. So again, I'm just going to skim through some of this information and point out the article that rose all these up here today. So I went over this earlier and then made just a separate video on this one, but this one over Aurora, Canopy, Kronos, Sundial, and Tilray. Shares why they're all popping off today. And you can see they're all higher following a report indicating the House Rules Committee has scheduled a Monday afternoon meeting to prepare a federal MJ legalization bill for floor action. So very cool. So, and here it kind of goes over the stats. I'll link my video that I just did, basically going over this article, and that's all the video is about, just to point out these, and just to make everybody aware of the House Rules Committee. It has scheduled a Monday afternoon meeting, so it should be very cool. So tomorrow and Monday should be very interesting. But if you're buying these now, hoping they will run up tomorrow and Monday, I would, not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, I would just set a stop limit or whatever you have to do to protect yourself, just in case it goes the wrong way. So hopefully it'll go through and help all the stocks, and we'll just have to wait and see. So, and see if there's any. And so we already covered that. It looks like they're talking about it going up. Federal MJ legalization bill officially scheduled for a House floor vote next week. And so never thought I'd see these take off like they did here today. So currently at 697, low of 478, high of 2413. $2.75 billion market cap. After here, Tilray panic sell, a short buying back. Over here on MSN Money, currently at 697, showing it as a hold. And here on Tip Ranks, currently as a hold with a 46.48% upside to 1021, high of 23, low of 6. But if you have Tilray, go and list that in the comments, along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share on Tilray. And if you sold out of it today, if you're planning to sell out of it tomorrow or Monday, that would be interesting to know. And if you bought the dip before it ran up in the 5 or so range, it was probably a little bit lower than that here a while back. This one's been trading kind of flat for a little while, so here's probably the low. You could have got it for under $5, so $4.85, so that would have been a good return just within a little bit over a week. So but that's it for Tilray. If you have this one or any other MJ stocks that ran up today, you can leave that in the comments. And if there's any other MJ stocks you want me to make a video about, I'd be happy to do that as well. And just leave it in the comments. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.